Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best antidepressant and anti-anxiety medication available in the market, NuEthix Formulations Cort-Eaze. This supplement is designed to help support cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and improve sleep. Let's dive into the details. NuEthix Formulations Cort-Eaze is a health support supplement containing ashwagandha, L-theanine, and rhodiola rosea. It comes in a container with 60 capsules, providing 30 servings. The supplement is formulated with plant-based ingredients, including ashwagandha, L-theanine, and Magnolia officinalis. Cort-Eaze may help balance hormone production, regulate cortisol levels, and support relaxation for better sleep. The tablets are vegetarian, gluten-free, non-GMO, and support hunger regulation. Each container has 30 servings of 2 capsules each. The manufacturing date is indicated on the product, ensuring freshness. The supplement is formulated without proprietary blends, so you know exactly what you're consuming. This supplement has received a 4.4-star rating with positive reviews about improved sleep quality, stress relief, and overall well-being. Customers have mentioned that Cort-Eaze helped them sleep better, feel less anxious, and maintain a calm state throughout the day. Some users have reported better stress response and improved sleep patterns after using the product. NuEthix Formulations Cort-Eaze is a quality supplement designed to support cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and enhance sleep quality. If you're looking for a natural solution to manage stress and anxiety, this product is worth considering. Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.